Hey guys, I haven't been in the shop a lot lately, just been too busy with other tasks. I decided to clean up this old plane and give it a new life. It's never worked very well, but it came down to just proper sharpening. A bit of time on some sandpaper and some diamond plate sharpening blocks, and it works much better. It was a fair bit of sanding, resurfaced it, cleaned the edges, got rid of all the grime, and I think it looks a lot better. It certainly works a lot better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.